channel. If you're new, welcome back. If you're not, I'm G. And today we have another unboxing. Oh my God, girls and guys. Like this, who knew happiness was in an orange box? Well, I knew that because I have a lot of orange boxes, but not this orange box. So I hope you enjoyed my little unboxing in the beginning. Something different. I'm just trying something out. But yes, you guys, I got the Hermes Oran Sandals. So let's talk about it. First things first, packaging was so beautiful. It was so luxe. It came in like a white box that had like Hermes stamped on the inside, and oh, the orange and the brown and the Hermes. Like, it was just an experience. It really was. Hopefully there are more of these orange boxes to come in my life. I'm putting that in the universe. But yes, I got these sandals. I know you've seen these everywhere. You may know someone that has them, but they are such a classic shoe. I wanted these because I was looking for some slides that were not casual, too casual, not like pool slides or like Gucci slides, like, you know, those type of slides. Like, I wanted a sandal that I could slide on, that I could wear dressed up or dressed down, and these were the perfect thing. I looked into the Dior D-Way slides. My mom actually has those, and they run really narrow, and I have a flatter foot. It's not really wide, but I don't have a high arch in my foot, so I didn't think those would be a perfect fit. And plus, I think those are too trendy. I don't think that they'll be around as long as this shoe. This shoe has been out for over 20 years, and it's withstood the hands of time. And I think that this is a good investment to make. If you try to find these sandals pre-loved, they are about the same price as brand new or even more, so you might as well just buy them new. I actually got these online. I did not go into an Hermes store. I got these online, and the thing about online is, first of all, I don't even like to buy shoes online because I can't try them on. So I did size up in these, and I'll get into the sizing and everything in a second. But I did size up in these. So I got these online, and online, I'll have it up here somewhere. It shows that the inside is all white. And I was very concerned because, you know, after a while you get like toe prints and things like that. And I did not want my whole foot to be imprinted in the shoe. So I was very, very concerned. But when they came, they were brown. I don't know what that's about, Hermes. Come holler at your girl, because you had me confused. But no, they do have a brown on the inside and white on the toe. Let me get into the specs. Oh, it just came so freaking nice. So the specs on these, the color is actually called Blanc Piqures Havane. Again, I speak English, so if I'm butchering these, I apologize. I will have it on the screen or in the description, but it's Blanc, and I know Blanc means white. So they are whites, and yeah, like I said, this kind of brown threw me off, but I'm happy that it is brown. I did size up, so I wear a 7.5, and I always wear 7.5 and everything. So in these, I got a 38 instead of a 37.5, and I'm happy. They fit perfect. Like I said, I don't have a narrow foot, and they fit perfect. They are just beautiful on the foot. They look so nice. I love them so much. Definitely gonna have these around forever, and I would love to get another color, just, you know, like a little collection. Who am I? Who am I with Hermes sandals? Like, it's a moment of silence. Just the luxury game is just stepping up, and I just love it. Like, these things make me so happy, so happy. But anyways, so they have a like serial number on the inside. That's how you know they are real. The bottom is leather as well, like the whole shoe is leather. Yeah, a lot of people say that they want to go get them like treated or whatever, so that the bottom won't get too messed up, since you're basically just walking on leather and not rubber. Honestly, I don't think I'm going to go that far. It's a shoe. It's going to touch the ground. It's already a little messed up, and I just tried these on in the house. So I can only imagine. But I mean, from people that I've seen and reviews that I've watched, people have these for years and years. So it's not like they're going to undo at the seam or something. So I think I shall be okay. And this leather seems like it can wipe off pretty well. It is in the Napa leather, if I am not mistaken. I will have it on the screen if I'm wrong. But it's made in Italy. Smells like leather. It's such a sturdy shoe. It is flat and not really any support. There's a little heel, but not anything crazy. So this is like my first impressions. It came with 2 dust bags, and these are sturdy, hardy Hermes dust bags. Like, these are perfect for traveling. I cannot wait to wear these this summer. Cannot wait. But yes, they're so beautiful, and they have like this brown stitching around the H. So, you know, I just think that these would be a perfect shoe to have forever and ever and ever. Like, I know that this is not going out of style. It is made impeccably well. It's like a statement shoe. It's just, this is just right up my alley, right up my alley. So, you know, I'm just super excited. And this was a Mother's Day gift. So I know I feel like I'm balling out of control right now, but this was a Mother's Day gift. I'm not spending any more money for a while. Yeah, unless I get another gift. But like I said, these were online. They did have a few sizes. It wasn't like they were like 1 size or 2 sizes. They had a few sizes, but some sizes were sold out. A lot of the other colors were sold out, so you just have to check back and forth if you are interested in these. But this is my first Hermes purchase, first Hermes unboxing. Prayerfully, there's more to come. Maybe some Birkins, maybe some Kellys in the future. But yes, if you like this video, don't forget to like this video, literally, with the little like button below. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribing really helps me out. I know some people just watch and just keep it moving, but please subscribe. I make videos every week. I do a lot of beauty, lifestyle, luxury, fashion, those types of videos. And if that's your thing, then you should subscribe so that you can see my videos every week. And if you don't like it, you can always unsubscribe. It's free. It helps me out. But yes, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video.